Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. In this tutorial we are going to make A/B test on Google Optimize. So we'll be showing you complete tutorial how you can optimize your A/B testing, like your images, banners, your products, your descriptions, anything that is related to conversions on your e-commerce agency websites or Shopify e-commerce stores. So first of all, you have to visit optimize.google.com here. You can see, and once you will simply sign up, you will have this screen and it will ask you to optimize, get started. So we'll click on get started. So now it's asking you what you are looking for. Sign up for emails to get the most out of Google Optimize, tips and optimal recommendation, product announcements, market research. So we are going to go with yes for all of these, and then you have to click next, and in here you have to choose your account settings, improve Google products, benchmarking, get in-depth analysis, and then you have to use Google Optimize. You must first accept the terms and conditions for your countries. So in here I'm going to make it for my country. You can also select your own to better not to have any issue, and then done. Okay, after this is now asking for container, create your first experience. This is where you will create experiments and personalization for your website. Click let's go. Okay, here you can give any name regarding so we are going to optimize our website. Okay, our agency website front page. So we'll be right front page optimization, and then we will here you see these options. With A/B test, you can test 2 or more variants of a page, like a banner and a CTA button. And then you can also check with form submission, change of description, change of colors. And then in multivariant test, you can do one color, one price, and one description. And then do the same for more than 2 sections on your website, on your product, on your agency profile. And then redirect test, you can check with different URL redirections here. And then in the personalization, you can check that even you can personalize your pages for target visitors, and then banner template. So we'll be going with A/B test first, right? Here you can give the URL of your agency. So we'll be giving our agency profile here, ecompremium.com, and then you can click on create. So you see it will take you to this site, this window here. So things you should have understand that what you should have in with you are variants. You will be creating variants. So first option is add variant. So we'll be giving it the name banner, right? So this variant is banner, and now this one is original with 50% weight. We will view it, view extension. Okay, here you see you should have this Chrome extension, that is Google Optimize. You should have this inside your Chrome. If you haven't, you must add it. So without this you can't even see this optimization. So now we'll click on view it again, and you see that it will take you to your agency front page, home page, or whatever URL you will be putting, it will take you to that. So here you see it take us to this page. Okay, it's saying the URL you entered redirect to this page. For security, to use the page in your experiments, use your browser back button. Okay, so it takes us to this, right? And now you see this. So we can also put up here or you can even just use without www because it's already saying this. So you have to go back to your optimize site. In here you can edit this one like this. Okay, changing the edit page URL may affect your variants. Okay, we don't have an issue with this right now. So now we are going to click on view. Okay, it is redirecting us to Google Analytics, and now it's taking us to the site. So here's the optimize extension opens. So it will ask you to what you do. So we click on this element, right? Okay, we make it done. So we will be optimizing A/B testing for two elements now. The first one is announcement bar and the second one is banner. So we have checked our URL is working good. It's what we want. Now we will click on edit of this variant and it will take us to our agency homepage, ecompremium.com, and we can select from there any element we want to make A/B test on. A/B testing is very simple. Like A is the original form, B is what you want to test against that on real 50% weightage, 20, 80, 30, 70, even 40, 60. So now you see we are going to mark this and then edit element, edit text. So here you see we are going to make it best Shopify e-commerce agency. So we are making it now. We're done, changing the text and then clicking on save. Okay, saying editor page mismatch, update URLs. So we have updated this, right? And now click on done. Okay, we have optimized our variant announcement bar text as a A/B testing. We'll see how the results come after optimizing this. Just like this, you can also get optimize any element on your website. Doesn't matter, it's pop-up, it's newsletter, change of banner, and then target your sites. Here are the rules. Who should see this experience? You can select from here. Okay, once we will add the property here. So keep in mind that you should at least have a link Google Analytics with it, link to analytics. It will ask you for properties you already have. So we do have these properties, so we'll be okay. You see this one is Ecom Premium GA4. We're going to link this one. Boom, it's linked. And primary objective of this analytics, choose from list. We are going to make page views. Okay, you should make it through revenue, purchase revenue if it's on product page. But here for this scene, you see we should have how many people are clicking on this announcement bar. So remove from experiment and then create custom, experiment, enter the event name, clicks, save. Okay, it take us to maximize clicks, right? You can also add one default from the list, but if there is not available, that's not available in the list, you can create your own. Just like here you see maximize purchases, conversions event. So this is all set up. Optimize installation, check installation is checking now. Okay, you see it's saying optimized installation not found, no GA4 measurement ID found. So install. Okay, to install optimize inside your website, you should have this thing. You have to integrate it. Okay, once here you see we'll make to back to experience. Basically you have to tell your domain, your website, that with whom you are going to integrate, you are going to engage, communicate. Basically the integration just we do for like Google Search Console and things like that. So here you see in the Google Analytics 4, it will take us to analytics and we will see if this is properly integrated or not. Okay, we are on analytics, and from here you see in the home but before this you should also look at your backend of your domain, that is everything properly integrated or not. So here let me pause this and I'll be on my domain. Okay, so you see we haven't integrated our analytics with our domain yet, so we will be going to configure, and in the configure we will go to admin, force this, here optimize links, container ID. Okay, this one is available. Setup assistant, and then property setting. From here advanced setup, you can simply create property from here. that will be GA4. Property name, Ecom Premium GA4. You can also select reporting time zone accordingly. Okay, and create universal analytics. Stop looking data July 1st, so it's not an issue. We'll convert it accordingly on July 1st, 2023. Okay, you have to write your website here, and then you can create analytics 4 and universal analytics, but I prefer, okay, go for this one. And then next, you can select all these things instead of this one, because we are not on App Store. If you are, you can select also this one, and you can also select others. If you don't want to go for others, then you can leave it. Okay, then you can make your company size, and then you can select your business information with the category. We are into e-commerce, so we will select services, online services, computer and electronics, or you can also select we will select computer and electronics, or you can select the services from here. You can select others. If you don't find yourself fit inside these categories, okay, we're going with this one. Okay, property setup, about your business, and now we are going to create it. Click on create. Okay, you see, we got this thing. Data collection is active for your website. Take more photos. Go set up correctly. This one is measurement ID, right? Okay, in the view tag instructions, select your website builder or install manually. This one you have to simply copy this and paste it inside your website theme under the header. Okay, you see, once you will install this one, you can simply go to theme.edit/code. Inside under the head, you see you can just paste it here, Google tag, and then click on save. Once you save it, you can simply go here, and then in here you see view tag instructions. Okay, we know that we did this, and now here in the web, from here you simply have to copy this thing, right? like you can go back, come on this one, and then in here property settings, and from here then account setting, form management, property assistant, setup assistant, data collection, turn on Google signals, okay, we will make it this. Basically you can just simply select from here, you can select your website and then ecom premium GA4 GA4 this one, or you can simply select GA4 analytics property just like this, and you see this code. Okay, if it's active you will see one thing from here, right? You can go back and 330663518. Okay, then from here, from this one, okay, you see we are going to integrate this 210 tetra 911-2. You have to go here, and if you are on Shopify, go to preferences, and for integration of Google Analytics you have to write here this code UA-210 tetra 9 UA-210 tetra 911-2. We will confirm it 210, this one 210 tetra 911-2, right? And then you can click save. After clicking save you can enable this one, use enhance e-commerce, and once this is done you can simply click on it and then all website data. So here you see if we are visiting our agency website here, you see it will give us the signal that someone is visiting. Okay, you see one visitor. So this integration is perfect now, so we have to keep this in mind. And before going to do this, you can simply click on it, link to analytics, We will check this one. So you should not make this mistake that which Google Analytics property you are going to integrate. Okay, you see we have integrated this one. Okay, from its settings, inside the optimized links, we will disconnect it from here like this, delete. So we have disconnected this container, and now you can refresh this one and you can connect the one you have just connected with your domain. Okay, you see now we can link the property again, link to analytics. You can select the property from here. You see we give them name ecom premium -GA4, this one, right? So all website data, we will link it. So we should close this one. Okay, we integrated this, and now home optimization container, this variant is created. Add targeted tool is for everyone, all visitors, right? And then analytics, setup objective. Our objective should be choose from list. Bounces, okay, we are making this, and another objective should be page views, and another objective should be session duration. So it's all created. Now we'll click on start, check installation. You will click on this one. It will check the manual installation automatically. Okay, so you see it's checking now. Okay, saying optimize installation not found. Install optimize. You can also install optimize with Google Tag Manager. You have to go to Tag Manager, new configuration, Google Optimize. Okay, we are going into Google Tag Manager. We are going into our Tag Manager. If you have already installed this, you can also install this from you can click on optimize. Here you see, if you don't have this one, you simply have to put a tag inside your theme file, so optimize will be installed. From here, accounts, and in here tag manager, analytics, optimize, and in here you see we have this option. In the settings, okay, this is all about your container. Here you see the snippet. Okay, top of the head is saying, okay, we are going to top of head, our theme, edit code, in the theme.liquid. Just below the head, on the top of the head, you have to paste this script. Click on save. You see we install this, optimize, Chrome extension. Okay, now we will check again. We will go to A/B test here. We click on start. Okay, check installation. Okay, it's checking now. Once it finds the snippet inside our theme code, it will definitely recognize it. Okay, optimize is correctly installed. Issue resolved. This is just for communication, to communicate with optimize and website data. Okay, now again we click on start. We click on start. You can even schedule it from the time. You see, started manually from now. Expiration schedule is 5 December, that is too far. So we will click on edit. Okay, and experience, we will make it a little shorter for 1 week. What I recommend is, like here you see, you can click on here and here schedule a start. Inside here you see, you can click on edit or schedule. Okay, start time should be 2 days 6 September and time should be 1 AM. 1 AM has gone, so we will be selecting time from now. It's 9:14 AM, so we are making it something like at least 10 AM, or you can also go with 9:30 AM, 15 minutes after this, and then end schedule time you can make it 1 week, anytime, right? So it's done, scheduled. Click start to confirm your schedule. Got it. Okay, it started. Okay, we have already checked our installation. We are clicking on start now. Here, boom. So this one is something we originally have, and this is the banner. We want to check with the B testing. The original one is A, and what we want to check with, so our visitors will be redirected 50% on both changes. Here you see this one is this one, and the another one is that one. I hope you guys understand the complete tutorial on how to do A/B testing. You can do also the same thing with your product images, with your descriptions, titles. I hope you guys like the video and tutorial. Please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.